So this is where, for the first time, you're now seeing the AI search and match recommended candidates card. And what this is doing is this is building a search for us automatically and is showing us the 10 best candidates that are already inside Bullhorn. So before we even think about going external, this system is now driving us towards best practice and highlighting all the best candidates that we have in our database. And if I'm willing to start working my way through this list, I simply click the button and it auto builds a search for us, ready to work our way through. And in standard practice, we'll work our way through these candidates one by one, shortlisting or submitting people towards the vacancy. And from there, we'll probably reach out to them, have a conversation, and get them ready to be screened. So once we have them in our submittal workflow, it's as simple as just picking the ones we want and just inviting to screen as we go. But again, that's a manual world, and really what you'd want to do is have all that automatically run in the background. So instead, what we're going to do is, using automation, we'll do an auto match and an auto outreach to a candidate. And this is what that will look like. So jumping into the candidate persona, they've now received an email from us saying, hey, you've got a new job match alert with some details around the job, and now we have a clean call to action for us to hit the button and find out more about that job. And because that job has already been loaded onto the website because of the integration that we have, what we can now do is, as the candidates working their way through and checking out what this job looks like, we can start to engage with them using the chatbot. So the chatbot knows it's James because we've taken the call to action, starting to reach out and engage with them. We're happy that you're showing some interest in the Java developer job. Are you interested in applying? So now all James really has to do is just say yes and just start that process. Now, the reality is that process is, before we actually get deep into the details of the job, you're probably going to want to go through some kind of high-level knockout questions first. So, question 1, are you authorized to work in the country of the job? Question 2, how many years experience have you got in the role? Question 3, are you able to commute to the location or relocate if needed? And these are just example questions. And question number 4, what's your current preferred employment type? And I can choose multiple here if I need to, so I can say I'm open to anything. And that's it. I've answered all 4 questions. And now, based on all the logical steps that happen inside the screening, at this point, we're now ready to begin the AI screening conversation itself.